Kikubor Nongïalam jong Nongsan Hima.
Myntri Khna Katanat Minority Affairs Lania Katanat Badipet Yakiret Pat Jong Sorkar Pdeng Ujuan Barla Hakasngi Baar Ulaong Baki Babun na Nongïalam Niam Ha Meghalaya Kim Don Jingtep Halor ki Skhim na Sorkar Pdeng Kibaki Kynhun Niam Kila Banyo Yakani Ubarla Ula Kren Shakinong Tok Kubor Hakaslam Trekam Gaseng BJP Ha Shalong Ula Pentep Bana Kalyang Kajong U Hakini Kisngi Kiba Ula Don Ha Meghalaya Ula ya kendu ya bunwat Nongïalam kentubru ya Nongïalam Niam. Nakalyang uni Myntri ula ya thu bakatanat kaba upen kadon buon kilat ban ai jingerap syaki Kynhun paper henrai kumba kapau menta kipat ba kimtep AA. Ula ya thu rubawat Nongïalam Niam kilapan pau ba kimtep bakila banyo ya Skhim na Sorkar Pdeng. Ula ongru bakani baro kaja na kadaw bakam don kajing pensngo thu syaki pat ba bat Nongïalam Niam. Ubarla ula kentui Nongïalam Niam bat ya kipat ba ban pha da jing tho sha u khanang bo unla ban pet bat mangi ki Skhim laga de na kabenta ki hall ki residential school ne ki wei ba de na kabenta ka jing don kam jongki.
I came here before 3 days is going on and today 4th day, no? Yeah. And today I came for today's program because that is International Day, Yoga International Day. So I invited by the ministry and I came to and we meet all the department, and yesterday also I met our Myntri ministry and I met many churches leaders, Sikh leaders and Muslim leaders I met. And there is many things to do through our ministry. That's why I meet all the and what development in 8 years, Pradhan Myntri what development done for the country. So I tell all this brief to what Modi hai to mumkin hai. And today I came to know many schemes are not implemented here. That's why I request to government to let us, if you want public has blessed you and choose a leader for state, and let us central scheme should be implemented here, then the public of state will get the benefit from the state. That is my mission. That's why I came. And there is no awareness of central scheme. Many schemes they are not getting here. Central scheme are not getting. That's why they are not facilitated. So I request the government, Meghalaya, we have to unite it and we have to collaboration, state and central, and we can do many things for the people. And in our ministry also, in minority ministries, there are many things to do. We can make a resident school, hospitals, and health centers, and community hall, and many women's facilities, boys hostel, girls hostel, smart classroom, and many other things we can do from our ministry. But the state will give a proposal to the central, and we are ready to. If they come 1 feet, we will go 2 feet for development for Meghalaya. And that's why I came here. Let us unite it and let us give me a proposal. There is many things to do in our ministry, in minority ministry. Today also, Health Minister of Meghalaya, he met me. We are in International Day program, and we discuss. And I tell them, let us, you send me a proposal, and we will develop it for the people of Meghalaya. And they agree that they will come, and we will see, and we will development for the future. they don't know about the schemes. Only they know the scholarships, and out of scholarship there is many things to do. They are running many institute, just like education, health, and social. They are doing a good job, self. But till they didn't take any benefit from the ministry, because there is no awareness. So I came to and meet them. Let us. Only there is a minority, means they think only one community, only Muslim they think. But there is a 6 communities are there: Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, Farsi, Jain. There are 6 communities. All they are belongs to minority. And let us come to us. Let us, we will sit, and you just proposal to the state also. You can make a smart class, resident school for the poor people. If they will get a resident school, you will build here. Then the poor people, those the guardian want to educate their children, but they have no money to educate their children. But there is a free education, nursery to upper higher education. But if you will not apply, you will not do this, you will not build a resident school, then how can the development of Meghalaya people? So I came here and I awareness them. Let us, you just give me a proposal. After you just send a proposal to the state and come to me. I am ready to. Few days ago, a few months ago, I sanctioned 42 resident school, 42 Sadbhavana Mandap, that is a community hall, and 12 resident school. We have already, work is going on. The people of Manipur they will get facilities for the future. Those who are poor are here also. Some people are there, some guardians are there, they want to educate their children, but they have no money to educate them. And Modi always used to do it, sabka saath, sabka vikas, sabka vishwas, and sabka prayas. We have to, you have to awareness the people. There is a Padho Pradesh in our ministry, but till today nobody was applied in this Padho Pradesh. Padho Pradesh means if you want to get a higher education in other country, then you will get a loan from our ministry, 20 to 30 lakhs to higher education in other country. But we don't know. We will click in mobile, we can search, then we'll get how many schemes are in our minority ministry, how many schemes in our government of India. We can know. Just you tell them that the people will know. They don't know how to apply the loan. Suppose education loan. Suppose they want to a business loan, but they don't know how to apply. And we people, we have to awareness the people. And there is no awareness, that's why I tell my ministry also, in Meghalaya also, let's you make a awareness camp and call the people of Meghalaya and awareness them. What facilities in our minority, what facilities in central, what is in facilities in state. But many people they are in hill area, they are in the remote area. They don't know. They have no internet. They don't know mobile also. Digital came, and we have to use mobile digital. Today we are running government. We both are together, and we have to don't afraid. Why you are? Sabka saath, sabka vikas means what? We have to unite sabka saath and development the people, and we have to believe each other. You have to believe in central government, and we are believe in state also. That's why we are sending money to development. We have sanctioned within 21-22. We have sanctioned 247 crore through our ministry. We have already sanctioned. The work is going on. The stadium is also going on. The health center also going on. There is many for women hostel, girls hostels, hunar hubs, sports complex, shopping complex. There is going on. 247 crore already we have sanctioned. And again I am saying to the state, let us send a proposal for development of Meghalaya. There is 40-60, there is, in other state 40-60, there is a 90-10 ratio. Why we are giving, if you want 1 crore, then we are giving a 90 crore, 90 lakhs, or they are giving 10 lakhs. And other state 40-60 ratio. That is the benefit. But this benefit also you will not take them. The people choose a leader to development. Why the people gave a vote? Why people choose a leader? When they push the button, then they think the scheme of central government, either state government will get. That's why they come out from the home and they push the button.
So you have also held a meeting with officials of the state government. So what kind of direction have you given them?
I have given them to, just you give me a proposal, many things to do. I have given them a proposal, many things. Just like a community hall, resident school, and others you want to hunar hub, sports market, those who are running a market. No?
Overall development provided to sir, he have appealed to the people of Meghalaya through the government machinery to create awareness regarding various kind of developmental scheme as stated by Honorable Union Minister.
Another issue.
Sir have appealed, bring this information to the engineer Sanjay, bring that information to us.
Nobody has
sir
come to me. Nobody has come to me.
Yes.
Then how can I know?
Another related issue is that there is a court order pending. When there is a majority non-Hindu state here like this, they also demand Hindus, especially minority status. Like a Christian state, Christian dominated state, Hindus are minority. So whether they will be given minority status, the case is pending in the court.
No, it is
sub judice in the court.
It will be, the cabinet will be take a decision what it is.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you.